Dear students, we are doing class 9 subject science and we are doing topic cell of biology. Today we are doing structure of cell, animal cell and plant cell. So this is the diagram of animal cell and plant cell. So comparison of plant cell, animal cell and plant cell. Main similarities between animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell and plant cell have a cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outermost covering. Outermost covering of the animal cell is the cell membrane, and outermost covering of plant cell is cell wall, and uh, there is one more covering inside that is known as cell membrane or plasma membrane. So what is the similarities? Both animal cell and plant cell have a cell membrane or plasma membrane around them. Animal cell and plant cell have cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance present both the cell, plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell and animal cell have a nucleus. In both the cell, nucleus is present, and plant cell and animal cell have a nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is surrounding the nucleus is known as nuclear membrane. Plant cell and animal cell have mitochondria. In both the cell, animal cell and plant cell, mitochondria is present. What are the basic difference between the animal cell and plant cell? In animal cell, there is a cell membrane. Cell membrane is the outermost covering. It is present in animal cell and plant cell. So in animal cell there is no cell wall, but in case of plant cell there is a cell wall present outside the cell membrane or plasma membrane. So number 2, vacuoles. Size of vacuole is small in case of animal cell, but in case of plant cell size of vacuole is large. And third point is centrosome present in case of animal cell, but centrosome usually absent in case of plant cell. In case of animal cell, plastids are absent, but in case of plant cell, plastids are present. And chloroplast is absent in case of animal cell, and chloroplast is present in case of plant cell. Because photosynthesis, what is the do you mean by photosynthesis? The process of making food by green plant is known as photosynthesis. What are the raw material required for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment which is present in chloroplast. So chloroplast is absent in animal cell and chloroplast is present in plant cell. After that, photosynthetic pigments are generally absent in case of animal cell, but photosynthetic pigments like chlorophyll are present in case of plant cell. Food is stored in the form of oil and glycogen in case of animal cell, but in case of plant cell, food occurs generally in the form of starch. In case of plant cell, food is stored in the form of starch. Lysosomes generally present in case of animal cell, but lysosomes generally absent in case of plant cell. Mitochondria are generally numerous. Mitochondria are numerous in case of animal cell, but mitochondria are usually fewer in number in case of plant cell. Nucleus is generally centric, means nucleus is present central in position, but in case of plant cell, nucleus eccentric due to presence of large vacuole in case of plant cell. So animal cell, last point, animal cell, they can change form and they move about. But in case of plant cell, rigid cell wall that is made up of cellulose. Rigid cell wall does not allow the change in shape and position of plant cell. So these are the basic difference between animal cell and plant cell. So once again we are doing the similarities between animal cell and plant cell. Plant cell and animal cell have a cell membrane. Both have a cell membrane or plasma membrane around them. Next similarities is animal cell and plant cell have cytoplasm between them. Next point is plant cell and animal cell have nucleus. Nucleus is present in both the animal cell and plant cell. Next similarities is plant cell and animal cell and plant cell have a nuclear membrane. So nuclear membrane is the outermost covering of nucleus. And one more point, animal cell and plant cell, they have mitochondria. So So now we have done similarities and differences between the animal cell and plant cell.